Here's another thing you can do. Now, this one I'm still working on, so I don't know that I want to promote this to, this is probably not great for everybody. This is something I'm currently doing. If you really want something, I'm going to show you something I currently started doing. This one does cost money. I don't get nothing off of what I'm about to tell you, but I just thought it would be cool. This might be something that'll help you, so I'll just let you know. There's a site called Use Massive, usemassive.com. And what I did was, here, let me show you. Here's the website right here. And it's an AI-based job site. You upload your resume. That's why you want to do the ATS style resume and put all the keywords in there. You upload it here, and it automatically applies to jobs at the click of a button. And then essentially, I'll just get in my inbox people saying, hey, interview, let me know what days you want to interview. So it's a shortcut. Like, it kind of cuts out the middleman. It's even easier than LinkedIn. I'm still messing around with it. I don't swear by it just yet. It's interesting, I like it, but so far, it's look at this. I'm applying for jobs right now. Look, I'm applying. And if I just keep doing this, I'll eventually somebody will be like, hey, give us when you're available for an interview. This is like $40 a month or something like that. It's not cheap, but I want to try it because if there's something that works, I want you guys to know about it. Again, I'm still experimenting with this. I'm not even qualified for most of these jobs, to be honest with you. I shouldn't be clicking all of these. But what you want to do is once you put your resume out there, what you want to do is you want to look at the job. You want to look at what are the requirements. It's 7 years, software, okay, GRC, okay. I don't think that it automatically matches you with certain jobs that you are best fits for, but you definitely want to do your due diligence and look through it and see if you're actually a good match, because AI is not perfect. So this is not, something I would want to do. So I'll just go on to the next one. Here's another one. Conduct internal testing on products and identify security vulnerabilities. Yeah, I could do that. Perform security architecture reviews for new products. I could do that for sure. Design data flow, security weaknesses, maybe. Desired, what do they want? Docker Container Knowledge. I'm kind of weak on that. Nmap, I've used that before, so I wouldn't apply for this. I like to apply for things I know that I could, if I get into the interview, I'm gonna blow their minds. I set myself up to win. That's what I do personally. So that's what I would do if I were you. Another thing is I've got tons of free resources out there for you on my site. Just go ahead and search ConvoCourses.com. Free stuff you can download. I got free videos where I walk people through this. I used to on a regular basis take people's resume and then publicly go through it and fix it and stuff. I don't do that so much anymore. But you can also use AI. You can take your resume, run it through AI and be like, I want this job over here. And it'll tell you how to word your resume to get that particular job. So there's just a lot of different things you can do. That's also free, by the way. There's a lot of different things that I do. I'm telling you all the secrets that I'm using. And that's, if you do that, you will get opportunities. I can't guarantee, anyone that will work or whatever, but I can guarantee you that you will get more opportunities. Somebody said it's not frowned upon to put on LinkedIn that you have a clearance. I've heard there's some people who don't put that on there for security reasons, that they don't want to say that they have a top secret clearance or whatever. I do it. If I have a clearance, I'll put it on there, but I can see why people would not want to. I understand why they say that, but I'm out here trying to survive. What do you want me to do? You know what I mean? If I have a clearance, I'm going to put it on there. I got to feed my family. You know what I mean? How much security do we need? I mean, I don't put my real name on there. I'm so paranoid. This is not my real name. So But I will put on there that if I have a clearance, I'll usually put it on there myself. But I understand why some people don't. If it's